Hi everyone! Today we're making a classic and easy pound cake. Soft, buttery, and perfect with tea or coffee. Let's start with the dry ingredients. In a bowl, sift 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 packet of vanilla sugar. Mix everything well and set it aside. In a separate bowl, add 226 grams of unsalted room temperature butter, along with 200 grams of sugar. Beat for about 5 minutes until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Now, add 4 room temperature eggs, one at a time. Make sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Once combined, slowly add the dry ingredients and mix until smooth. Then pour in 125 milliliters of room temperature milk and mix again until everything is well combined. Grease a 9-inch baking pan and pour the batter in evenly. Bake at 350 or 180 degrees for about 50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And that's it. Your delicious homemade pound cake is ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes.